HDFC बैंक और डोनाल्ड ट्रंप के बारे में एक चीज कॉमन है, दोनों न्यूज में लगातार रहते हैं। Welcome back to the channel where we like math more than emotion. Today we will discuss how HDFC Bank is competing and leading the race of AI implementation. आप लोग बोलोगे ये कहानी में ट्विस्ट कैसे? Indian bank leading in AI? But yes, you have heard it right. But before we start, let me set some background. 2 days ago, HDFC Bank released FY26 Integrated Annual Report. The bank aggressively expanded its asset base by 11.6% to a massive 43.6 lakh crore. Gross revenue shot up, driven by a 12% surge in gross advances. And total deposits jumped 14.4%. Transaction volumes exploded across retail and wholesale streams. The bank pushed its net profit up by 10.9%. Great numbers, but then we don't expect anything less from HDFC Bank, right? It is one of the biggest banks in India. But it was a completely different metric that surprised us.
India's largest private sector lender, HDFC Bank, reduced its workforce.
HDFC Bank's actual headcount reduced by 3,343 employees. Normally, profit and headcount move linearly. 1% profit rise, though headcount goes up by 1%. So, we had to look deep. HDFC Bank had reduced headcount, deploying digital agents directly into their operational pipelines. Now this is massive. They replaced 8,100 heads with AI agents, and that is a huge leap. Just a few months ago, HDFC Bank was in the middle of a big controversy and it lost 3% market cap. So what changed in 3 months? And the short answer is successful AI integration in their processes. So let me explain. HDFC Bank successfully scaled the empire by deploying dedicated digital agents directly into their operational pipeline. And let me talk about all these 3 agents. AI Agent 1 is Neve AI. It's a proprietary general AI workflow engine, and it handles complex, high-volume backend compliances, cross-checks regulatory filings, and flags exceptions in real time, eliminating legacy human review loops. AI Agent 2 is automated onboarding, moving corporate salary account setups from a 48-hour human verified paper trail to a zero-touch automated system that approves accounts in seconds. And Agentic AI number 3 is smart kiosks and CRMs. Routine teller transactions and physical cash management have been systematically offloaded to self-service machines. This is a sweeping global playbook. If you look at reports from the Wall Street Journal, the financial sector has officially become the #1 industry exposed to AI automation. Look at the global macroscopic landscape right now. Wall Street heavyweights like Citigroup, JP Morgan, and Bank of America have collectively cut thousands of roles while locking in massive quarterly profit. In fact, a report from Bloomberg estimates that global banks are on track to eliminate up to 200,000 jobs in the next few years due to AI-driven automation. But here is the kicker from Bloomberg's data. Banks' pre-tax profits are expected to surge by 12 to 17% purely due to AI productivity gains. So let's make it simple and map out exactly what this operational shift does to the numbers going forward. क्योंकि hype investing से story तो बनती है, पर पैसे नहीं. So let's assess the AI impacts on Indian banks. First is the impact on banks' operations. As headcount costs reduce, the operations become faster. The business model becomes purely linear. Second is the impact on net profit. It is going to surge. More work will get done without hiring a ton of people. And third and most important, the impact on the banking sector. Zahir si baat hai, once this efficiency is implemented in HDFC Bank, it will be replicated in other banks. The overall sector becomes highly lucrative. In fact, the pattern is already out in the open. Other examples of banks reducing headcount is Axis Bank reduced its workforce by over 3,100 employees, and Kotak Mahindra trimmed around 1,269 roles. So what is the mathematical verdict? But before that, some fun community quiz. Do you think that AI can change the OPEX metrics for banks? Option 1 to choose is banks are buy already AI or not. And option 2 is I will wait for the Iran war to end. So please comment your views and we will find out what's the mood of the market. Anyways, moving on. The mathematical verdict is simple. When the top 3 private banks shed over 7,700 employees in a single financial year while expanding their profits, the message is blunt. This is the proof of AI impacting productivity positively. And that's why banks ko kharido. I said it in Jan 2026 and I have the same conclusion today. Great. This was fun analyzing the AI impact mathematically. So that's it for today. Thank you for tuning in and listening to my point of view. If you like this content, like, subscribe and hype it please. Tata and Alvida. See you the next time. Bye-bye.